Hi there, it's Jeff Straub with Straub Design LLC. Today I'm going to go over our Quik Sign stand. First is I'm going to show you how to insert the sign panel. The sign panels are typically 18 inch by 24 inch signs and normally coroplast. What you want to do first is it's called a stabilizer bar that's located inside the frame. So go ahead and pull that out and attach it in the middle of the frame here, like so. That just keeps the sign from closing. First thing you want to do when putting the sign is insert the top of the sign into the frame and then let it drop into the frame. These signs are great, they're easy to use because they're portable. Maybe you're having a flash sale and you have a storefront, so you can put this sign outside your storefront to direct people in. Another cool feature that this sign stand has, let me take the stabilizer bar out, is it accepts a rider sign. So you can place your rider sign on top here and then open the sign stand, and that kind of locks it in place. Another thing that these are great for are open houses. So say that you're a realtor and you want to direct people in to let them know that an open house is going on, then you can slap your sign in here and input a rider sign that gives more information saying, maybe when you're having the open house, in this case 2 to 4. So they can be used for many other things. These are just two off the top ideas that I had. So if you have any questions about the signs or the stands, then give me a call, send me a Facebook message or an email, and I'd be happy to help. Thank you.